Okay, so today we will see some geometrical constructions. Draw perpendicular on the given line AB from a point P outside the line. Draw an arc with P as center and any convenient radius to intersect the line AB at 2 points C and D. Now this is possible only when point P is between the line AB and not near one of the points A or point P. Otherwise, the point C or point D may go outside the line AB. So this is important. This method is useful only when we can draw such an arc that cuts the line AB at 2 points C and D with P as center. Then on the other side of AB, draw two more arcs with C and D as centers. So these two arcs will intersect at point E. Now join point P to point E. So PE and AB again intersect at point Q. PQ is the required perpendicular on the given line AB from the external point P. Any question in this?
सी और डी में से सी और डी बाहर है ए बी में से
अगर AB से बाहर जा रहे हैं तो AB को एक्सटेंड कर लो, जिस तरफ बाहर जा रहे हैं उस तरफ एक्सटेंड कर लो. अगर A की साइड बाहर जा रहे हैं A को एक्सटेंड कर लो, B की साइड बाहर जा रहा है तो B को एक्सटेंड कर लो.
थैंक यू सर.
सर हम अपने हिसाब से लाइन में मॉडिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं?
नहीं कर सकते. बाद में जो एक्सटेंड किया था उसको मिटा देंगे.
ओके, ये असम्पशन ले रहे हैं
हम सिर्फ एज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि हमारी लाइन इंस्टेड ऑफ AB इट इज अ लॉन्गर लाइन ऑन द साइड ऑफ A और ऑन द साइड ऑफ B depending upon our requirement.
हाँ.
That is actually a construction that we can erase later on. Bisect the given angle AOB. AOB is any given angle and we have to bisect this angle, divide this angle into two equal parts. So starting with O, take O as center and any convenient radius, draw an arc, and that arc cuts OA at point C and OB at point D. Now with C and D as centers and same radius, draw two more arcs which will intersect at another point E. Join O to E. OE is the bisector of the angle AOB. This means the angle AOE is equal to the angle EOB. Trisect the given right angle AOB. Now it is important. You can trisect a right angle, but you cannot trisect any given angle. So we have a right angle, 90-degree angle AOB, and we have to divide this into three equal parts. How to do that? First step is same with O as center and any convenient radius, draw an arc to cut OA at C and OB at D. You get 2 points C and D. Now look carefully. With the same radius, it is important, the radius has to be same. Draw two more arcs with centers as C as center as D. So with C center and same radius, we get a point E, and with D as center and same radius, we get a point F. Now join O to E and O to F. OE and OF will trisect the given right angle AOB. This means the angle AOF is equal to the angle FOE and equal to the angle EOB. All these angles are 30 degrees each. Important thing is that the radius should remain same. First O as center and any radius. Once we fix the radius, then with the same radius, you have to draw two more arcs. One arc with D as center, one arc with C as center. You get two more points E and F. Okay, any question in this?
हेलो.
Yes.
सर आपने जो O से आर्क CD लगाया है वही आर्क आपने C से D पर लगाया है ना? सेम
C से D पर, हाँ, exactly. Once you fix the radius, you cannot change this. See, this is important. I've read here, same radius. This is important.
ओके सर.
जब हम O से स्टार्ट करेंगे तब हम कोई भी रेडियस ले सकते हैं. OC डिस्टेंस हम कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. Divide a line in any number of equal parts. So we take the example of a line AB and we have to divide this line in 5 equal parts. Draw a line inclined to AB from A. Any angle, any length. AB is the given line. From point A, draw a line at any angle and any length starting from point A. Now starting with A, draw equidistant arcs, and the number of arcs should be equal to the number of parts of the line that we want. In our case, we want to divide the line AB in 5 parts, so we draw 5 arcs and number them starting from point A. So the nearest point to point A is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If we want to divide this line into, let us say, 7 parts, we make 7 arcs. Then join the last point, that is point 5 in our case, to point B. Like this. And then from all other points, 1, 2, 3, and 4, draw parallel lines to 5B line. And these will intersect the line AB at some point. So mark all these points. These points divide the line AB in the given number of equal parts, which is 5 in our case. So this way we can divide the given line AB in any number of parts.
सर
Yes.
सर जो आर्क्स के बीच में डिस्टेंस है वो सेम रहेगा?
हाँ, इक्विडिस्टेंट आर्क लिखा है ना, देखो इक्विडिस्टेंट आर्क। एक बार जो हमने रेडियस फिक्स कर ली, रेडियस हमारे हाथ में, A to 1 जो भी डिस्टेंस है, that distance we can change, we can have any distance, but once we fix the distance A1, that distance is same as 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 4, 5. That distance should not remain constant once we fix it.
ओके सर।
सर
Yes.
सर हम ये सारा प्रोसेस मतलब लाइन के ऊपर की तरफ भी कर सकते हैं ना, अपर
ऊपर भी
साइड
कर
या
सकते हैं,
पॉइंट
बिल्कुल
बी
कर
से
सकते हैं, एनी साइड, एनी साइड। मैंने कहीं नहीं लिखा नीचे खींचना। Draw a line inclined to AB from A. You could have started with point P also. You could have drawn a line like this, or you could have drawn a line like this. Anywhere.
यस
सर
Yes.
सर हम ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ले सकते हैं इसमें, वैसे एक्यूट पे बेस्ड होता है आई थिंक।
ऑब्ट्यूज ले सकते हैं, ऑब्ट्यूज ले सकते हैं, बट उसमें प्रॉब्लम आएगी कि जो हम पैरेलल लाइंस ड्रॉ करते हैं, those parallel lines will be very close to each other and they will not give us a clear point like this here. Now here we are getting a clear point that we will not get.
तो एक्यूरेट के लिए हमें एक्यूट ही लेना चाहिए।
हाँ, acute ही लेना चाहिए. It should be as less as possible, but normally it should be around 30-45 degrees.
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Not more than 45 degrees.
सर
Yes.
सर अगर हमें जो है मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ लाइंस बनानी, लाइक से अगर हमें 8 लाइंस भी बनानी है, तो हमें अगर इसी सेम अगर हम इसे सेम रेडियस से अगर कट करते हैं, जो हमने नीचे इंक्लाइन लाइन बनाई है ए से, तो अगर वो हमारी बी लाइन, हमारी ए बी लाइन से अगर बाहर जा रही है, तो हम उसे बी पॉइंट को एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं?
नहीं 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 नहीं, हमारी ए बी लाइन है, हमें उसी के हिस्से करने, चाहे 5 करने चाहे 8 करने, तो जो भी हमारा लास्ट पॉइंट है, लेट अस से व्हाट योर क्वेश्चन आई अंडरस्टैंड इज दैट दिस लास्ट पॉइंट, इन आवर केस इट इज पॉइंट नंबर 5, this point goes to the right of point B. That is your question.
यस सर।
If that point goes to the right of point B, there is absolutely no problem. You join that point to point B. Yes.
ओके सर।
So next is divide a line in any given ratio. Again, we have a straight line AB and we have to divide this in a given ratio. The ratio is not given to us. We will see different ratios how to divide this. So first the procedure, draw 2 lines from A and B which are equally inclined to AB and in opposite directions. Now this is important. The lines are equally inclined to AB, so the 2 angles, this angle and this angle, are equal and they are on opposite sides of AB. I could have drawn from A line above AB and from B below AB. That also I could have done. So that doesn't make a difference. Important thing is that these 2 lines are parallel and on opposite sides of A and B. Draw a number of equidistant arcs with same radius on both the inclined lines and name the points starting from the nearest point. Like we have done in the previous case when we have to divide the line in equal parts. Starting from point A, I have drawn 3 arcs. You can draw more than this also. Similarly, starting from B also, draw 3 arcs or maybe more than 3 arcs. And important thing is that the number point should be starting from here. In case it starts from B, here in this case it starts from point A. This is important. Now, suppose I want to divide this line in a ratio of 2:3. Join point number 2 from point A and point number 3 from point B. Like this. So this point is dividing the line AB in a ratio of this length is 2 and this length is 3.
Excuse me,
Now-
sir.
Yes.
Sir, in this case, we have taken ratio 2:3. And
Yes.
sir, upper line, sir, जो third है, उसको हमने second से join किया है. तो सर ऐसा भी हो सकता है अपर पार्ट में सेकंड लाइन को लोअर पार्ट के थर्ड से ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं.
तुम लोगों को डाउट बहुत ज्यादा आते हैं, पहले पूरा देख लो. Now suppose I want to divide this line AB in a ratio of 1:3. So join point number 1 from A and point number 3 from B. Draw a straight line. This straight line cuts the line AB at some point. This point divides the line AB in a ratio of 1:3. Now, suppose I want to divide it in a ratio of 3:2. Now, Anjali, this answers your question. Point number 3 from A and point number 2 from B, and we draw a straight line. This will divide this line in a ratio of 3:2. See, there's a difference between 2:3 and 3:2. Now you can see the point is nearer to point B as compared to point A. Whereas in the previous case, it was nearer to point A as compared to point B. So this ratio is 2:3, point number 2 from A, point number 3 from B, and this ratio is 3:2, point number 3 from A, point number 2 from B. So in this way, we can divide this line in any given ratio. Suppose I want to divide this in a ratio of, let us say, 5:4, then I have to draw 5 arcs. Instead of 3, we have to draw 5 arcs here. So we can increase the number of arcs and then we can divide this line AB in any given ratio that we desire. Yes, any other question?
सर क्या हम ये रेशियो जो निकालना है वो पिछले वाले मेथड से कर सकते हैं जो हमने लास्ट किया था अभी पार्ट्स करके?
उसमें तो नहीं उसमें नहीं कर सकते. Okay, I'll come to that. This is, we have divided this into 5 parts. Now I want to divide this line in the ratio of 1:3. How do I divide this?
4 parts, 1:3, so 1:3.
हाँ, 1 + 3 अगर 4 parts ले लेंगे तो हमें मिल जाएगा. You are right. But if I want to divide this into different ratios, then what? In this method, once I do the construction, now I can divide this in any ratio that I desire.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, it is 11:50, so I think we'll stop here. If you have any more questions, you can ask. We will continue tomorrow. If you have any more questions, you can ask.
Sir, can we leave now?
Just wait for a moment. Okay, I've taken the attendance. Now those who want to leave can leave now. If you have any question, you can ask. If you don't have any question, you can leave.
Sir, can you show me the slide of angle bisector, please? One second. I will take a screenshot.
Angle bisector,
Okay,
somebody was asking. Okay? You want to
Okay,
take the
thank you,
screenshot?
sir.
You can take the screenshot now. Somebody was asking for a screenshot.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Have you taken?
So can we leave now?
Yes. If you don't have any question, you
Sir?
can leave.